Again, my friends. So today we are working again in our math workbooks. We are looking at pages 107 and 108 today. That's Unit 3, Lesson 4. And I just wanted to quickly go over some strategies that you can use to solve these problems today. So first things first, of course, we start by reading our instructions. So these say, solve the story problem. Show your work using drawings, numbers, or words. So it's a little bit flexible in how you want to show your work, but you got to make sure that you show me how you got your answer. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. It says, Sam has 4 balloons. And right away, I see a number, so I'm going to circle it. Then he gets some more. So here, we don't know what this number is, but we know he gets more balloons. Now he has 9. I'm going to circle that. How many balloons does he get? And here, we're kind of talking about new balloons. So we see that his total at the end of the problem is 9 balloons. So one way that we can look at this problem is by using a math mountain. So I hope you guys remember that when we have math mountains, we have kind of 3 little boxes. Maybe they look like circles. It doesn't matter too much, but we have kind of 3 spaces. And we have our total or our biggest number at the top. And then we have our partner numbers. Oh my goodness, if this thing will let me draw. We have our partner numbers down below. So our biggest number here is, let's see, 4. We don't know this one, and 9. So our total is 9. So let's put that in the top. And then from here, we can kind of look at this as a partner problem. So Sam has 4 balloons to start with. So we'll fill that in down here. Okay, so now it's pretty simple. We just need to find out what partner number we can put here that we can add to 4 that will equal 9. So let's think about that. We can even count on. So we can start with 4. We can say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so you guys couldn't see it, but I was using my fingers to count on, and I stopped when I got to 9, and I had 5 fingers up. So 4 plus 5 can equal 9. And 5 in this case was the number that we didn't know. So this was how many more balloons Sam bought. So we can write in our answer here. So 5. And then, of course, we need to remember to write our label. So we are being specific and we know what we're talking about. 5 balloons. If you wanted to, you could even get more specific and say 5 more balloons or 5 new balloons, something like that. But in this case, just 5 balloons is okay. All right, so now I'm going to show you one more way that we can do this. So again, we can use our math mountains, or we can, kind of like we talked about earlier this week, we can make ourselves a little subtraction problem. So again, we have our numbers circled. We know that our total was 9, and one of our partner numbers is 4. So what we can do is make a little equation for ourselves. We can put our biggest number first. So we can write 9 and then minus 4 equals. Okay, so then we just have to figure out what 9 minus 4 is, which of course is 5. And that's another way that we can reach our answer. So 5, and again, we would write balloons here. All right. So the rest of the problems are pretty similar, but be aware that in this problem, our total was kind of at the end of the story problem. However, you'll see in the next 2 problems actually that our totals or our biggest numbers are first thing. So just be aware when you're looking at those numbers, which numbers are your biggest numbers, okay?